it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a swap unboxing. This box is from Michelle Randolph, who is Shabby Chic Michelle on YouTube and on Instagram. I absolutely love Michelle's work. I have admired her for a very long time. Ever since I've been doing paper crafting and uploading videos, Michelle has been an inspiration to me. So I finally reached out and asked her if she'd be willing to do a swap, and she agreed. I was so excited. I'll link my video down below of what I sent over to Michelle, and let's take a look at what Michelle sent me. So first of all, it's this beautiful aqua tissue paper. Love that color. Oh, and perfectly matched shred. I love these little gold tinsel pieces. She says, Nikki, thank you for swapping with me. I never sign my cards or tags. I hope you enjoy what I created. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, Michelle, I'm just trying to take it all in. So let me get this out of the way so we can admire this. So first of all, she has, I believe this is a Julie Nutting doll, but she has made it dimensional. So the arms are behind the clothes. The shirt is on top of the pants. These yellow pieces are layered on top of the shirt. That is so cool. So cool. And then she has got this gorgeous tag. Absolutely stunning. And then it looks like she hand cut out these flowers to put here, and hand cut out this little bunny piece here. I love that, Michelle. She's got flowers here. These look like the flowers from no, they don't. These look like Prima flowers. I was gonna say they look like the flowers that Hobby Lobby had out at Easter or springtime, but these are much nicer. They feel like a paper Prima flower. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. And look, she's got these really light green die cut leaves back here. That's gorgeous. This little bunny has popped up on the book. Michelle, that's stunning. The colors are absolutely beautiful. Okay, I'm super excited about this. I was really intimidated to swap with Michelle. She does such amazing work. Okay, I'm gonna put everything out here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Michelle, you sent so stinking much. So that is the beautiful shred here. This is something wrapped up. I'll open that last, but let's take a look. Okay, so I know it was 3 sets of 4 embellishments, a memory decks, and a sequin mix is, I think, everything we were supposed to trade. These are little teacup embellies. I love these. I have a teacup shaker die. It might be the same one in my cart either. I think it's my Amazon cart. Just want to stick this one back down. Look at how pretty those are. And she used Maggie Holmes. And it's all gold. Look at the tiny little tea bags where she's stamped the word tea. Oh, and each one has a flower and a little seam binding bow. Those are adorable. That is a really cute die. Super cute. And rosettes. I love rosettes. So this is Garden Party here, it looks like. One of my favorite Maggie Holmes collections. Oh, and these are the fancy rosettes. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Michelle. I know how much time these take. And she not only layered everything up, but then she went over it with I don't think that's Wink of Stella, is it? Maybe it is Wink of Stella. It just looks a little more glittery than that. She went over it with something and then just embellished just the tiniest little details. So look at here, in the middle of the spokes is a diamond dot. Just in the middle, just hanging out there. That is so stinking cute. And then these little hearts, these were jemmies from Dollar Tree at Valentine's Day. Never would have thought to use them with this collection, and it's perfect. Here she's got a little teacup, but then she layered up with the tiniest little piece of foam, a little macaron to go with it. You guys, look at the depth in these. So it is the rosette, then it's a little doily, then it's a little circle, then it is a flower, and then it is the teapot, and then it is the teacup, and then it is the macaron. That's unbelievable. Oh, look at this cute little sprig there. That's so cute. She's got little flowers. Look at these tiny little tendrils she made. I love those. Oh, that's so pretty. Here's a little puffy sticker from the collection. Yeah, so she just went over like these parts of the bike here to pop that out. She put it on the windows of the windmill. So pretty. So, so pretty. Oh, this is so cute. A little calendar. What a great idea. This is on a super sturdy card. Oh, look at this, you guys. It's a little desk calendar. How cute is that? So she's got it layered up even on the back with the gold around it. And then the front is just layers again. So it's a vellum piece and a puffy sticker and paper flowers and the bike and the flowers in the basket. Look at how she did that. That's so cute. And the word darling popped up there. It's just so perfect. And then that's just a little desk calendar I can rip off. What a great idea. Michelle, thank you. I'm setting that right there in the corner of my desk. Oh, these are stunning. Oh, these are stunning. I love this die too. Oh my goodness. Look at each, I mean, her embellishments are just perfect. Oh, so it's the little embroidery hoop and it's got the little gold top up here, but she has got this perfect cluster of flowers on each one. It's yellow and white and pink. So cute. Yeah, these are adorable. Sorry, I had to stop the camera for a second. Someone was at my front door. These are just gorgeous. Oh, I just want to stare at them. Michelle, your embellishments are like works of art. I admire that so much. Here is the cutest little sequin mix. Look at this container. That is the cutest thing ever. Is that a die? That is so stinking cute. I'm not gonna even take it out, but look at this mix. This garden party mix is so spot on with the colors. Oh my gosh. And then the layered embellishments here and the little flowers, and it's all tied with this seam binding. This is so cute. And look at this. Okay, this wasn't made to fit this. Did you make this up? I'm intrigued by this. I think it is the cutest little holder ever. Thank you so much for that. Oh, and her memory dex is a purse. I don't know what it is. I love purses. I love purse embellishments. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute.
You know the bird feeder?
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. These look like little leather straps, and look at, she used these huge jump rings for the little connectors here. This is just so cute. It's got two little pockets here. Look at behind here, this little piece of trim here with this piece of trim, the star trim on it, and then just these tiny little puffy stickers to go inside the greenhouse. Oh my gosh, the little seed packet. Oh, I'm in awe. I am just in awe. And look at this, and she's got little flowers in there. Oh my gosh. Look at these rolled flowers. Look how thick those are. Is that just one, or did you put two together? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not gonna wanna use any one of these. So, hope you guys enjoy looking at them because I'm not gonna share. Okay, so then these two things are little surprises. I don't know what these are. This is a little box, which is the cutest box. Look at how each side is backed with gold foiled paper. That is so pretty. And then the front, it has a magnet in it. That is so fun. Oh, what a great idea. These are amazing. These are from Dollar Tree in the tool bench aisle. And look at this. Oh my gosh, you have to tell me how you did this. You guys, this is so stinking clever. Okay, I gotta put this together for you. Did you create this? Did you like make it yourself? Is it a die? I need all the answers. want to get this off because I want to put this all together. There we go. Look at this. This goes through there. Actually, I think it probably goes like this. This goes through here. Oh, you guys, that is the cutest box I have ever seen in my life. And it's functional. Oh my gosh. If all of my stationery products look like this, I would have no room to craft because I want to put everything on my desk. Oh my gosh, Michelle, that's so cool. I'm sure everyone is going to want to know where you got that. That is so awesome. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's wrapped very well and it's jingly. Oh my gosh. I think it's beads. Look at this. It's the, oh, she's got it taped. What a great idea. It is the little gumball machine from the 4th of July section at Hobby Lobby. And it is filled with these beautiful bubblegum beads in all golds. And this copper is so pretty. Look at this one. Oops. Look at that. That color is stunning. Oh my goodness. Michelle, and then she tied it with this beautiful little pink seam binding. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You're amazing. You are so amazing. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for swapping with me. You seriously inspire me with every single thing that you do. So thank you for putting your content out there. Thank you for swapping with me. And thank you for all these beautiful goodies that I'm never going to share with anybody. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Hey guys, it's me again. I just wanted to come on quick. I was saving every piece of tissue paper and shred that Michelle sent me. And this was wrapped in there and I totally missed it. It is this cute little hanging plaque and it says America the Beautiful and it goes with my 4th of July little bead gumball machine. Oh, I just wanted to make sure you guys saw that. That was super sweet, Michelle. Thank you so much for sending that along. Thanks for watching, guys.